done.
He's running. It's purring like a kitten.
Thought for a little bit we weren't going to find this one. So this is the one we've been looking for. It is a 2004 Toyota Tacoma double cab 4-wheel drive. It got hit just a little bit here, right in the front. Wanted to kind of check it out and see if it was something that we might possibly fix, because we have really been wanting to get one of these trucks on the channel. I think y'all probably wanted to see us fix up one of these anyway, and I just love them. We just love them. So we want to check this one out good, check out the frame, check out everything. You look at the end of that rail there, I mean, it kind of looks worse than it is. It just basically meant the extension right here, which is not too bad. We can replace that. That can be replaced pretty easily. If you look up in there, radiator condenser, radiator support, grill, hood, front bumper. I actually think the fender on this side is okay. So it's not terrible. If we can get the hood up, we'll do that. But let's take a look inside. Honestly, it looks pretty good in here. I mean, it is a 2004, and you can see somebody like us, they drove it to work. They got a little bit of dirt in it. So that dirt don't hurt a thing. They even had a brake controller in this thing. But it is 4-wheel drive. It's a nice little truck. The seats are in decent shape. I mean, everything looks pretty good. I mean, this truck is pretty nice. The windshield has got a crack across, all the way across, and that's okay. I don't know what something like this would go for, but we're definitely interested in this. Let's look in the back. Looking in the back, it looks better than the front. It's pretty clean back here. You know, for a truck that's 20 years old. So yeah, 2004, 2024, this truck's 20 years old. It is a nice truck, and I do like it. It's got the floor mats in the bed. Oftentimes, that's where you always find them. Looking at the back, I mean, that looks good. Looking down this side looks good. The tires are not great, but it did have Nito grapplers on there. So it looks like they're wearing pretty good. And this one looks good. I really like it. We're gonna check under the hood and see what we see under there. So far, this one looks really good. When it comes to the rodeo, I can tell you one thing. This is not this thing's first one. An aftermarket hood. It's already been replaced, and they didn't even paint underneath. So, I mean, it looks good though. I'd like to hear it run. I don't know if it will, because the fan is right all up in the radiator. I mean, you can see that up underneath, but up under the hood, it looks good. And these 3.4 engines are really good. It's had this radiator replaced before, so it's been in a front end collision. But the two front fenders are original, so they only changed the hood. So we can change this radiator support all day long. That's what you think in the comments, guys. Do you like this 04? Is that something you want to see? Because we really like it. We think everybody likes these older trucks. We like to just fix it up, maybe drive it around some and see how it goes. Let us know in the comments. You want us to try to pick this truck up, because it does go up for auction here very, very soon.
Your watch item is next on the block. New bidder.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode of Orange Wire's Garage. We finally got it. We finally picked up this first generation Toyota Tacoma. It's a 2004. It's got about 260,000 miles. Being crunched in the front. We've been using the Tundra to kind of pull everything back out just so we can get the fan off the radiator because we want to start it. We want to take y'all with us for the first start. So let's stop talking. Let's hop in the truck and let's fire it up.
He's running. It's purring like a kitten.
Alrighty, guys, and just like that, we got this first generation Toyota Tacoma here at the shop. We're ready to get started on it. We're super excited to have this truck. We couldn't be happier. All in all, it's really good for a 2004. We really been wanting one of these trucks. Just, you know, they're really hard to find. They're really hard to find with a good frame, good everything. This one is bad up front. I know previously it sounded like a diesel when I cranked it up. Man, that was a woo. But we had to pull the fan off. We had to get the radiator and stuff jacked back out of the way with just using a Tundra and a ratchet strap. So we got this thing home. So what we thought we'd do is fire it up, let you hear it, how much better that it sounds. We're gonna pull it in the shop and maybe start trying to get some of this stuff off the front end because we got a whole bunch of parts ordered for it. We wanna get it going. We need your help. Let us know what you want to see. So let's stop talking. Let's fire this truck up, listen to it purr, get in out of the cold, and get to work. Yep, it sure does. We spent a good amount of time getting this front end all stripped down. We got that bumper all off. We got the headlights off. We got the radiator off, the fan shroud, the fan. We're getting ready to take this condenser off. The whole front end is just about stripped out. We pulled both fenders off. And what we usually like to do is we like to give these things a nice wash and really don't start working on them with a bunch of mud and stuff on them. And I think they was off-roading this one when they wrecked it. So we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a nice wash. We're super excited about everything that we found so far with this truck. It's just super nice for a 20-year-old truck. So why don't we stop talking and bring out the old green machine, get it all shined up and make it look really nice. Well, let's hop to it and let's get that done. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we got this truck all washed up on a nice cool day, but man, does that paint really shine like a new penny. It looks really good. We got the front end taken all apart, and that looks really good also. So we got a whole list of parts ordered. We got a lot of things going on. The truck already has a 3-inch lift kit, so that's a really big plus. We're really digging this truck, but I think we ran out of time for this video. But if you like this Tacoma, drop us a like. Let us know what you're thinking down below in the comments section. We appreciate each and every one of you. A special thanks to all the subscribers. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time. We're out.